Hi, this is a video of 2854 Sancho Panza Court in Punta Gorda, Florida. House has 140 feet on the seawall. It's a sailboat and powerboat access. It's got a 10,000-pound boat lift. The pool is nice, large-sized pool with a huge lanai. Pool was recently resurfaced. This is the master over here and the master bathroom. It's got it so you can go on either side of the shower. It's got these really pretty floors, nice shower. Got really new carpeting in the bedrooms. And as we go through this wood floors, we're going to go into the kitchen. You'll see that the kitchen is brand new, never been used. It's absolutely beautiful and would be great for any chef or any baker. It's got lots of little hidden places, 3 lazy Susans. It's got a cutting board, a couple of those, a couple of ovens, a nice, great, big, huge vent, microwave, dishwasher, center island. It's got a lot of these little cupboards with separate little drawers in them. It's really quite beautiful, all custom made with granite on the countertops. Over here we have the bathroom over here. It also has an exit out to the pool. One of the bedrooms is over here to the left with an access to the pool. And the other bedroom is over on this side. Now, if you would like to see this lovely home, just give me a call, June Poliachik, Sun Realty, 941-916-0100, or my daughter, Michelle Brisendine, 941-889-8721. We are both realtors with Sun Realty. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.